Do subscribe to Tech YouTube channel and don't forget to click on bell icon so that you first to know about our new video. Hello friends, welcome to Tech channel. नाम मत भूलना। कैसे हो मेरे जिगर के छल्लो, आप हंसते हो ना? हंसना ज़रूरी है और दूसरे को भी हंसाना ज़रूरी है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो सेशन। Today I am presenting Tecno Camon I review. Review means my final opinion, my verdict. The Camon I sport a 5.65-inch display with HD plus resolution. It is powered by MediaTek MT6737 SoC and has 3 GB of RAM. The Tecno Camon I is priced in India Rs 8,999. The Tecno brand is owned by Transition Holding, which also sells phones under the Itel, Infinix and Spice names. Today we are reviewing the first model of this series to be launched in India. Priced at Rs 8,999 is the Tecno Camon I best shooter on a budget, said by company. The Tecno Camon I is a budget smartphone with an 18:9 aspect display ratio. The phone has plastic body as well as rounded sides and edges that make easy to hold. The 3.5mm headphone jack is a position on the top. There is a 3050 mAh battery inside. Powering the Camon I is a MediaTek MT6737, which is quad-core processor clocked at 1.3 GHz. There is a 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, plus a dedicated micro SD slot that allows the expansion of up to 128 GB. We did not feel any lag in the UI. The phone does take a while to load heavier apps, while basic games ran fine. The 18:9 display makes content immersive and the decent viewing angles. However, outdoor visibility is not great. Photos taken with the Camon I are average, but it did manage color reproduction quite well. Low light was where the Camon I struggled. Overall camera performance is just average. The Camon I is a budget smartphone with the 18:9 display ratio and claims to offer good camera. The Smartron T-Phone P offers best specification but has a standard 16:9 screen ratio. If the 18:9 display is what you are looking for, then you could also consider the more affordable InFocus Vision 3. However, if good camera performance is your main priority, the Moto G5 is still one of the best option under 10,000 segment. Good thing of Tecno Camon I is dedicated micro SD slot, fast fingersprint scanner. Bad thing, pre-installed bloatware, weak cameras. Key specification of Tecno Camon I: display 5.65-inch, processor quad-core, front camera 13 megapixel, resolution 720x to 1440 pixel, RAM 3 GB, operating system Android 7.0, storage 32 GB, rear camera 13 megapixel and battery capacity 3050 mAh. So that's it for Tecno Camon I review opinion. Thanks for watching Tech always for you. सो दोस्तों, अभी तक मेरे चैनल को आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, लाइक नहीं किया, कमेंट नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ करिए, क्योंकि मैं इसी तरह टेक्नोलॉजी के ऊपर लेटेस्ट वीडियो रिव्यू ओपिनियन लाते रहता हूँ और आपके माइंड को रिफ्रेश करते रहता हूँ। तो जाहिर सी बात है, मेरे चैनल को आपको सब्सक्राइब करना चाहिए, लाइक भी करना चाहिए और कमेंट भी करना चाहिए और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर भी करना चाहिए। सो दोस्तों, मैं मिलता हूँ मेरी अगली वीडियो में। थैंक यू सो मच एंड गुड बाय।